We'll guide you through how to change the keyboard on an Android device. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you didn't know, you can actually go and use different keyboards on your device. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about switching to them. So what I'm going to do for now is I'll go and open up a web browser, and you'll see my keyboard's currently open. We're going to go and change this. So just remember how this looks. To go about this, what you need to do is you need to go and head to your settings. So we can go and swipe across here and find settings, or even go and search for them at the top. Now, it's important to note that sometimes your device may come already installed in multiple keyboards. Otherwise, you can go and download them. For example, I've got the Gboard downloaded and also an emoji keyboard downloaded as well. You can get them from the Play Store. But once you've got your settings open, you want to go and scroll down and go and find General Management. Then you can go and find Keyboard List. At the top, press Default Keyboard and you can see the different keyboards. So I could switch to the Gboard here, for example, and now it's going to be using it. If I go and open up my web browser, I'll reopen the keyboard and you can see it's now different. If you found this useful and want to see more like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.